In today's video, I'll put you through on how to log into App Store, okay, for iPhone using a different Apple ID or email address. Let's just get right into it. First is to tap on the App Store. Once you tap on the App Store and it opens, tap on the your profile icon. In this case, my own is GR. It can be your picture or initials that makes up your name. All right. So I'll tap on there at the top right. Now, once you tap there, you will see your name and the iCloud email address that is linked to it. So tap on that iCloud email address or your name there. Alright, once you verify your Face ID, you'll be taken to a new page in a browser. Alright, so scroll down. When you scroll down, tap on Sign In. Now, your account will be detected, the existing account on the iPhone, okay? Then tap on Use a different Apple account and then follow the on-screen guide to sign in with a different iCloud email, all right? So once you're done with that, get back to the App Store and then you select the new account, okay? It may sign you in automatically or you may decide to select it from the list. It is that simple. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn more on how to complete more tasks on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time.